Understanding ski chalet, a cozy English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into a phrase that might conjure up images of snowy mountains and warm fireplaces, ski chalet. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in conversation. Ski chalet combines two concepts. A ski refers to the activity of gliding over snow on narrow pieces of material strapped to one's feet, a popular winter sport. A chalet is a type of building or house, usually found in the mountains, known for its sturdy wooden construction and sloping roofs. When we put these words together, ski chalet refers to a mountain lodge that caters to skiers, providing a cozy place to stay near ski areas. Imagine a wooden house nestled among snow-covered pines, with smoke curling from its chimney and windows aglow with warm light. This is the quintessential ski chalet. It's a place where skiers or snowboarders might stay to be close to the slopes. The interior often features a rustic, alpine decor, a fireplace, and communal areas to relax after a day of skiing. Let's put our phrase to use. I booked a ski chalet for our winter holiday in the Alps. After skiing all day, there's nothing better than hot cocoa by the chalet's fireplace. The ski chalet we stayed at had the most breathtaking view of the mountains. I hope this video has warmed you up to the phrase, ski chalet, and added a bit of linguistic charm to your winter vocabulary. Stay cozy, and happy learning!